Welcome. Today, we're exploring the science behind box breathing, a simple yet powerful tool for stress management. Box breathing, also known as four-square breathing, is a technique used by everyone, from athletes to soldiers. But why is it so effective? It's all about how it interacts with our nervous system. When we're stressed, our fight or flight response kicks in. Box breathing helps to calm this response. It does this by activating our parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to restore balance. Now, let's learn how to do box breathing. It's simple and can be done anywhere. First, exhale completely through your mouth. Then, quietly inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Then, exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Repeat. And that's it. Practice this daily, and you'll be better equipped to manage stress.